Hello, in this video we will be showing you how you can access Digital Theatre Plus off campus. On the main library Canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access eResources icon. From the list of eResources available, just click on the Media icon. Now on the Media page, just click on the DT Plus logo to be taken to the Digital Theatre Plus page. Now on the Digital Theatre Plus page, just click on the DT Plus logo to access this e-resource. You will now find yourself on the Digital Theatre Plus page where it's asking you to sign in. Just click on the sign in button. You'll now find yourself on the following page where it's asking you for your username and password. You will find these details in the written guide for Digital Theatre Plus. Once you enter in these details and click on the sign in button, you will have completed the process to access Digital Theatre Plus off campus.